garden ideas. 10 quick growing vegetables to try in your fall garden. Fall gardening is not just a trendy option between gardeners thanks to the anxiety of early winter frost. Except the reality is that fall gardening is able to produce a good crop of vegetables and will permit you to have crops as soon after the harvesting of summer crops. It has furthermore been recognized that the fall vegetable flavor is milder plus sweeter than the summer vegetables. In other words, you get to eat the same veggies, but the tastier version of them. While picking your fall crop, make sure to choose vegetables with truly short season so that you will be able to harvest before the frost strikes. Consult the Farmer's Almanac to check when the first frost will occur. You could be able to utilize the information to determine precisely when you need to plant your fall garden. You also would need to consider how long your crops will need to mature. The fall is a good time to grow some cool season vegetables. Normally, vegetables that grow right in cool weather conditions are leafy greens, root crops, as well as a range of members of the cabbage family. Beets, carrots, peas, turnips, radishes, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts may be planted in early August for fall harvesting. Some of them could also tolerate some light frost. These are wonderful vegetables to grow for a fall garden, and the taste is so much superior than store-purchased produce. If you are looking to grow some quick-to-mature vegetables, here are a list of 10 quick-growing vegetables to try in your fall garden. Arugula. This succulent plant has been long adored in Italy and grown throughout the rest of the world for its peppery flavored leaves. Highly touted for its health benefits, arugula has arrow-shaped leaves that is great to mix in salads when young or sautéed when mature. Arugula prefers full sun and will grow faster under that condition, but it can tolerate part sun as well. Plant 12 inches apart for best growth. Harvest leaves young before use for the mildest flavor. Arugula reaches maturity in 45 to 60 days. Little finger carrots. Little finger carrots are a true baby carrot. They grow only 3 to 4 inches long and are packed full of sweet carroty flavor. The bright orange French variety of carrot is a great size for pickling, or try roasting them in the oven with olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. They also are great to snack on raw. Little finger carrots prefer full sun. Sow seeds a 1/4 inch deep and 2 inches apart. To better ensure that your carrots grow straight, be sure to plant them in a garden bed or container with soil with excellent drainage. Little finger carrots reaches maturity in 60 days. Ruby Queen beets. This beet has a ruby red, smooth interior with a rich buttery texture. The Ruby Queen beet is ideal for canning or pickling and will retain its bright color even after processing. They also can be enjoyed fresh or sautéed. Ruby Queen beets are so easy to grow and will even tolerate being planted in poor soil or even being overcrowded. Plant seeds only a 1/4 inch deep. Provide about 6 inches in between each plant. Ruby Queen beets reach maturity in 55 days. Joi Choi Bok Choy. This type of bok choy is an excellent variety for home growing because of its vigorous, fast-growing nature. It's also known as Chinese cabbage. Bok choy is usually steamed or stir-fried in Asian dishes and also enjoyed raw. Sow seeds directly in a sunny location about 1/4 inch deep at 6 inches apart. Joi Choi Bok Choy reaches maturity in 50 days. Blue curled Scotch kale. The blue curled Scotch kale is named for its extra curly blue-green leaves, and it has been loved in home gardens since the 1800s. It's the most frost-resistant varieties of kale, so it is perfect for a fall garden. Use the leaves in salads, stir-fries, soups, smoothies, or bake them into chips. Plant kale seeds about 1/4 inch deep in a sunny area in your garden, about 8 inches apart. Blue curled Scotch kale reaches maturity in 50 days. Mesclun lettuce mix. Mesclun in French means mixture, and this lovely mix of sweet lettuces and bold tangy greens will add a combination of different colors, textures, and flavors to your salad. Sow mesclun lettuce seeds 1/4 inch deep and 1 inch apart in fertile, well-drained soil. Red Kitten Spinach. The red kitten spinach is a lovely variety of spinach with glossy green leaves and ruby red stems. Because of its size and amazing flavor, it is an ideal addition to salads. Sow seeds a 1/4 inch deep and 2 to 4 inches apart. It can be grown in full sun or partial shade. Red kitten spinach reaches maturity in 35 days. Orange Swiss chard. Swiss chard is packed with vitamin A, K, and C, and is a great food to add to your diet, and it is easy to grow. This variety of Swiss chard has bright orange stalks that would add a splash of color to your salad or stir fry. Sow seeds a 1/2 inch deep and 4 inches apart. Leaves can be harvested at any age, and new leaves will continue to grow. Orange Swiss chard reaches maturity in 60 days. Royal Snow Pea. These lovely purple pods with pretty pink flowers grow up to 3 inches in length. While peas have tendrils and love to creep and crawl, the royal snow pea will grow happily with or without a trellis. Enjoy raw or steamed. Plant pea seeds 1 inch deep and at least 2 inches apart in a sunny location in your garden. Peas are ready to harvest when they are 3 inches long and bright purple. Royal snow peas reach maturity in 60 days. Blue wind broccoli. Freshly picked broccoli is quite amazing. It has a tender crunch and sweet flavor, unlike the broccoli found in the supermarket. The blue wind broccoli allows for an even longer harvest season. Enjoy steamed or dipped in hummus. Sow broccoli seeds about 1/4 inch deep and 12 to 18 inches apart in a full sun location. Blue wind broccoli reaches maturity in 50 days. So if you have some garden space and some quick maturing vegetable seeds, why not give fall gardening a try? There is a small amount of risk, and the rewards can be quite amazing.